Meaning of get better.
Get better.
Get better.
Get better.
Get better. Get better means to improve or recover from an illness, injury, or difficult situation. It can also refer to personal growth and development. When someone says they want to get better, they have a desire to achieve a higher level of physical, emotional, or mental well-being. It often involves taking steps to make positive changes in one's life, such as seeking medical attention, practicing self-care, or learning new skills. Ultimately, getting better leads to a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life.